Alright, today we're making a version of baked beans. You start off with one large can of baked beans, some sliced green peppers, some barbecue sauce, some mustard, some finely diced onions, and about a half a cup of brown sugar. You start off by just pouring the baked beans in there. If you need to, get a spoon. Small pieces always like to stick to the bottom. Just throw that away. You want to add your green peppers. Depending on your taste, add a lot, add a little. A half a cup of diced onions works well. In this case, we'll probably use a quarter cup because we didn't use that many green peppers. Pour your half a cup of brown sugar in there. Get it all in there. We love brown sugar with our baked beans. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard. And now about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Any brand, doesn't matter. If you find for cooking sometimes, generic brands work just as well. Let's put that back on there. Now at this point we're going to add some bacon just for some flavor. You don't have to. If you want to keep this completely vegetarian, that's up to you. Now you just want to mix that up. You want to simmer it on the stove top, nice and slow. Let all the flavors meld together. And there you go, barbecue baked beans.